I'm not going to tell you, I told you so, but I told you so. Brand new report from the Canadian Centre on Substance Use and Addiction. No amount of alcohol is safe. And the American Cancer Society came out against any alcohol because it increases the risk of 7 different kinds of cancer. Plus, alcohol is poison. It's a toxin. You're drinking a disinfectant. And why would you do that if you love yourself? There's another study from Spain. Any amount of alcohol decreases white matter health in your brain. What's the white matter? It's the highways, it's the tracks, it's the communication parts of your brain, and it's just critical to keep your brain healthy. I know, I'm a bummer, I hate that, but if you have a better brain, you're going to have a better life.